Hello Tech World, and this is Craig from MobileTechTalk. Today showing you an unboxing of the Withings Body Plus Smart Scale. So anybody who's been in lockdown for 6 to 9 months on and off in the UK will have done one of two things. They either would have been really motivated to ensure that their weight stays the same, they've gone to the gym when they can, they've maybe got a gym at home, or they've just kept in shape, or like me, you've bounced around quite a lot and you've been up and down and you've missed the gym and you've taken solace and comfort in the fact that the takeaways are open when the restaurants aren't. So that's why today I'm looking at the Withings Body Plus Smart Scale. The plan is to, now lockdown 2 in the UK is up and done and dusted, I can go back to the gym, I can start tracking my weight, but not just my weight, and that's why this product's so interesting. I can track my weight, I can track my fat, my water percentage in my body, as well as my muscle and bone mass as well. So we're going to just do a quick unboxing of this and go over some of the specifications, and then we're going to review it for the Mobile Tech Talk channel, so keep it locked on that. Give us a like and subscribe if you do like this video at the end, it really does help us out a lot. And let's get on with it. Right, so let's get into the box if I can then. So there's a couple of peel stickers, which I'm actually going to peel and not cut because I don't have my knife handy. This has been sent in free of charge from Withings. They don't have any input into what I'm about to say. They don't want to see the video first, and they're not going to be seeing the review first either. So this is just going to be a full and fair review of the Withings Body Plus Smart Scale. But today we're just doing the unboxing. So we'll put the big outer box over there. We have a only slightly smaller box here. So quite a lot of packaging on this, which I wasn't really expecting, especially in 2020. But I suppose it's not too bad. Oh, we've got 2 more stickers. Let's get those out of the way. So I've had a smart scale previously, but it's been a cheaper one. This is around £85 in the UK. Links in the description for where you can buy it. The smart scale wasn't great. It had a proprietary app. It didn't do body mass. Wow. That's just a really pretty scale. You're not going to hear me say that or hear anybody say that too much. Let's just see what else we've got in the box. Looks like we've got some stabilizing feet here with some 3M stickers on the bottom. And then in the nice little compartment here, put that over to one side, we've got a quick installation guide. You probably will need this because it's obviously more than just your usual scale. You've got the ability to have all of your family members hooked up to this, as long as you've not got more than 8. You can have 8 users here, and it will independently synchronize with their applications on their phones, iOS and Android phones. I believe it's the HealthMate application is what I currently use for the Withings smartwatch. So you just pull the tab for the battery, go to the Withings website, download the app, and then it starts showing you all the different things it can do. So it can obviously weigh you, what scale shouldn't weigh you. It can obviously measure your muscle mass in a number of different units. Oh no, it looks like it's just pounds for muscle mass, fine. It manages your steps. So presumably if you've got a smartwatch, your smartwatch will sync the steps to the HealthMate app, and then the HealthMate app will sync to the Body Plus scale to show you when you stand on it how many steps you've done. Okay, so you're starting to get a bit of harmonization and integration with the other applications and the products that Withings have. Then you've obviously got fat mass, total body water, and then you can obviously go through and customize what you actually see on the scale. So let's go ahead and see how we get this out. This looks like iPad sort of packaging. Lots of plastic everywhere. Not a big fan of that, but let's just see if I can get rid of all of this and just slide it out. I'm going to stop saying unboxing. It's basically unpackaging, isn't it? Now that's a heavy little beast. So what sort of batteries have we got in here? We've got 4 AAAs included, which is good. Let's pull that up. And let's see whether it turns on. Of course it does. It says hello. And then it tells you to go to the Withings website to actually set this up and pair it with the application. So we're going to go ahead and do that. We're going to start to review this for MobileTechTalk. As I say, this can measure your weight in kilograms, pounds, stones and pounds, however you want, depending on where you are in the world. It's also got the ability to measure your body fat and water percentage, as well as the muscle and bone mass. It can also track your nutrition, so you can set weight goals, and with the HealthMate app, it can all start to integrate together. You've even got the ability, believe it or not, to have the weather forecast on here. Why you would want that, I don't know, but maybe that's what you want to do in the morning when you're checking your weight, see whether it's raining outside. Why not, hey? Why not? Smart home technology. Let's do everything on one device. I wonder whether I can get recipes on here as well. I'll have to try that, and I'll report back on the MobileTechTalk full review. So please like and subscribe if you like this video. There'll be more videos like this coming. We've got a Recover Pro, so a muscle toner and muscle recovery that's used by athletes and fitness experts. So we've got an unboxing of that coming up, and we've got a number of reviews that are going live, some headphones, some mobile devices on the MobileTechTalk channel. So go over there and have a look. Thanks again for watching, guys, and we'll see you very soon on the next video.